Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Bitmart to your Tangem wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step process will help you move your Tron TRX securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just transferring funds, let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a verified Bitmart account with some TRX in it, and your Tangem wallet set up and ready. Tangem is a hardware wallet that's super secure for storing crypto, so it's a smart choice. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and locate your TRX balance. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw option next to TRX. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the details for the transfer. Step 3. Now, switch to your Tangem wallet. Open the app on your device, select the TRX wallet, and copy the receiving address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Bitmart, paste the Tangem wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, and take a moment to review any network fees. TRX transactions on the Tron network are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Step 5. Hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication, 2FA, step for added security. Once submitted, the transaction will be processed. After that, keep an eye on your Tangem wallet for the funds to arrive. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. If you run into issues, check Bitmart's support or the Tron Blockchain Explorer. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA everywhere, and never share your wallet details. That's it for this quick guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.